While there's this language war, a Marathi versus non-Marathi speaking, MNS chief Raj Thackeray, amid the backlash and criticism that has come in with the behavior against the shopkeeper, has prohibited his party workers and members from directly interacting with the media or to post personal reactions on social media platform. Is there a gag order that's come in? He's even asked the party's official spokesperson not to speak to the media directly, that is without his prior approval. Is it turning out to be more troublesome, a headache for Raj Thackeray than he expected ahead of BMC elections expected later this year? Mustafa, this is interesting because earlier we believed that Raj Thackeray was defiant on this issue and he stood by his cadre and workers as well. What are you picking up about this restraint?
Well, if you can say that there was a protest which happened in Mira Road yesterday. In that protest, there was some misbehavior with TV news channel reporters, because some workers just refused to speak in Marathi. So be it the political leaders who say that they don't have anything against Hindi, but they will not allow Hindi imposition. But on ground, whenever there are such language protests taking place, people just refuse to speak in Hindi or any other languages. And if you are reporting for any other medium, then you will need the responses in that medium. That's why the clash had happened. That is one of the reasons. And maybe the issue which took place in the case of MNS functionary's son Javed Sheikh, who was drunk in one of the incidences, which in the case was registered in Amboli police. So these are things which have made made Raj Thackeray think that there is some wrong messaging going on in public about this entire issue, about how this should be communicated. Hence, he has come out with a gag order. The gag order is not only for the party workers to not speak with media, it's the official appointed spokesperson too. They have to take permission from Raj Thackeray as to what they have to say on this issue and then speak. So clearly there is a messaging of that clear message or communication should happen, and people should not have any misunderstanding about any issue, especially the language issue. If you see, it became a national issue, it became an issue of concern. Many even people, Marathi speaking people, said coming out that people of Maharashtra going outside Maharashtra not able to speak the local language will also be given the same treatment. So these are things which have been considered by the MNS, and the MNS chief has said that only after
But sadly,
discussing with
there's
him,
been a start and there was defense to it as well.